Have you ever looked up at the night sky, feeling both small and awestruck by the vastness of the universe? Well, let's dive into one of its most mind-bending phenomena, black holes. These cosmic enigmas are not just science fiction fodder, they are real, and they're more fascinating than you might think. So, buckle up as I share 10 mind-blowing facts about black holes that will change the way you see the universe. First off, did you know that black holes can be formed from the remnants of massive stars? When a star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity. If the star is massive enough, about 3 times the mass of our sun, it can create a black hole. Imagine that. A giant star collapsing into a point so dense that not even light can escape its grasp. It's like the universe's ultimate magic trick. Now, let's talk about the size of black holes. They come in different sizes, but the largest ones, called supermassive black holes, can be billions of times the mass of our sun. These giants are typically found at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. So when you think about the swirling mass of stars and cosmic dust that make up a galaxy, remember that there's a supermassive black hole lurking at its heart, holding it all together. Speaking of size, here's a mind-boggling fact. Black holes can actually warp time and space around them. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the gravity of a black hole is so intense that it creates a gravitational well. If you were to approach a black hole, time would slow down for you compared to someone far away. It's as if the black hole has its own set of rules, bending the very fabric of reality. If you ever find yourself near one, hypothetically, of course, you'd age more slowly than your friends back on Earth. How wild is that? Now, let's get a bit technical. Black holes are defined by their event horizon, which is the point of no return. Once you cross this boundary, there's no turning back. It's like a cosmic cliff. Once you're over the edge, you're done. This boundary is not a physical surface, but rather a mathematical one. It means that black holes are invisible. We can't see them directly, but we can observe their effects on nearby stars and gas. It's like seeing the ripples in a pond without knowing what caused them. Here's another jaw-dropper. Black holes can actually sing. Well, not in the traditional sense, but when they merge, they create gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that travel across the universe. Scientists have detected these waves, confirming the existence of black holes and providing a new way to observe the cosmos. It's like the universe is playing a symphony, and we're just starting to tune in. And here's something that might surprise you. Black holes can evaporate. Yes, you heard that right. According to physicist Stephen Hawking, black holes can slowly lose mass through a process called Hawking radiation. Over incredibly long periods, they can shrink and eventually vanish. So, in a sense, they're not eternal. They have a life cycle just like everything else in the universe. Now, let's shift gears a bit. Did you know that black holes can actually consume stars? When a star gets too close, it can be torn apart by the black hole's intense gravity, a process called spaghettification. The star gets stretched into a long, thin shape, like spaghetti, before being pulled in. It's a dramatic end for the star, but it's a fascinating glimpse into the black hole's power. As we continue to explore the universe, we're constantly discovering new things about black holes. They challenge our understanding of physics, time, and space. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that hidden among them are these incredible, mysterious objects that continue to baffle and inspire scientists and dreamers alike. Black holes are not just cosmic vacuums. They are gateways to understanding the very nature of reality. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll unlock even more secrets they hold.